National Weather Service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Macomb County in southeastern Michigan until 2 p.m. At 1:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Royal Oak or near Troy, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Warren and Sterling Heights around 1:15 p.m. Clinton around 1:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Fraser, Roseville, and Clinton Township. This includes I-94 between mile markers 230 and 231. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following county: Macomb, Michigan.
There are moments of pure